really rough. Hi guys, my name is Safira and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe before we get started. Today's video is all about Christmas and we are going from looking dusty and crusty to glam and ready for Christmas. So let's get started. Let me know in the comments down below what you do first. Do you get started with your makeup, hair, or outfit first? I am gonna get started with getting dressed first so I don't mess up my hair and makeup while putting on my clothes. You know what I'm saying? The first outfit I have is for Christmas Eve. I'm going to church on Christmas Eve, so I feel like this dress, let me go grab it first. Yeah, this is the dress that I'm talking about. I feel like this dress is more fitting for Christmas Eve, you know, with some nice boots. I think I'm gonna wear my Dr. Martin boots on this. Gives holiday vibes, so I'm gonna wear this for Christmas Eve. And then for Christmas Day, I have this jumpsuit or overalls. Overalls, I think. I'm not English, so it's gonna make it work. I'm gonna wear this on Christmas Day. Very comfy, since I like to be comfortable. I'm gonna eat a lot, so we have to be comfy. I am not gonna lie, this is not the way I'm gonna be styling my hair on Christmas. I'm gonna do my hair the way I did it in my latest upload, so just a curly hair updo. This is just gonna be the same hairstyle but just a different natural hair version. Well, it's also my natural hair, so this doesn't make sense. I'm talking a lot. This is gonna be a different version of the same hairstyle, so I don't know if you're still following me, but let's do it. For your time, tell me why always for your time, for your time.
Look, dress hanging off your shoulder, barely sober. Telling me how you moving away and starting over. Girl, quit playing, you just drunk, you just saying shit. And oh, you dance like how, like ballet and shit. Oh, wait, no, I get it, girl, I'm with it. I've been down this road before, and yeah,
now it's time for makeup, and I'm gonna get back to the hair later on just to do some final touches here and there and make it look, you know, really put together. But I think you guys get the vibe that I'm going for. So yeah, makeup.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't knock on easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love.
Yo, DJ Smasher.